Important laws, Henry's law as well as Raoult's law for the topic of today. So Henry's law states that at constant temperature, the solubility of a gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the partial pressure of gas. It can be stated in this way, or the most common used way is the partial pressure of the gas in a vapor phase is proportional to the mole fraction of the gas in the solution. So that is represented in this way, where P stands for partial pressure, Kh is a Henry's constant, X is a mole fraction. So the one more thing to be known here, one more thing is higher the Kh value, lower the solubility. It means that the Kh Henry's constant is inversely proportional to the solubility. That is a point to be noted. Next, coming to Raoult's law. Raoult's law is for a solution of volatile liquid, the partial vapor pressure of each component of a solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction present in the solution. So that's what Raoult's law is stated, and is represented as partial pressure directly proportional to mole fraction. So there is a special case, Raoult's law, special case as a Henry's law. Law and the Henry's law, there is a slight difference, and there is also an important question. Raoult's law is said to be a special case of Henry's law when the Henry's constant Kh is equal to the partial pressure. That is, when P01 is equal to the different Kh, then that is said to be called as Raoult's law, a special case of Henry's law. So these are two laws. Non-ideal solution. Solution which obeys Raoult's law is called ideal solution. Which do not obey Raoult's law is non-ideal solution. H mix is equal to 0, V mix is 0. H mix is an enthalpy, V is a volume, and in this side it is opposite, it's not equal to 0. AABB means, it is AA means solute. You can take AB as solute solvent molecule. So in ideal solution, that solute or solvent molecule is not equal to solute solvent, that is intermolecular forces, they are not equal. Whereas in non-ideal solution, that solute and solvent molecule is greater than AB, that is intermolecular forces, solute solvent is greater in non-ideal solution. This is a basic difference, and examples of an ideal solution is N-hexane, N-heptane. And if you say in non-ideal solution, again there is a separate category, that is positive deviation as well as negative deviation. These examples to be noted. Positive deviation from Raoult's law, that is positive deviation from non-ideal solution, is that ethanol, acetone and carbonyl acetone. Negative deviation is chloroform and acetone, phenol and acetone. So this is the main difference between ideal and non-ideal solution. Mixture. What does the azeotrope means? The word means it is a binary mixture having a same composition in liquid and vapor phase, and it also boils at a constant temperature. That is what called as azeotrope mixture. In that, we have minimum boiling azeotropic mixture and maximum boiling azeotropic mixture. Minimum boiling azeotropic mixture is one which shows a large positive deviation from Raoult's law. Example is ethanol water mixture. Maximum boiling azeotropic mixture, that which shows large negative deviation from Raoult's law, that is nitric acid and water. So this is about a topic of azeotrope and its minimum boiling azeotrope mixture, maximum boiling azeotrope mixture, and the examples to be noted. Minimum boiling azeotrope mixture, example ethanol water mixture. Maximum boiling azeotrope mixture, nitric acid and water. Colligative property. What does a colligative property mean? The one which depends upon the number of solute particles. It depends upon mainly on the number of solute particles, irrespective of the other particles or solvent molecule which is present in the solution. It depends only on the number of solute particles. So that is called as colligative property. We have 4 colligative properties with its formula mentioned here. The first colligative property is relative lowering vapor pressure, which is also called as in short form RLVP, whose formula is given here. P0 minus of P1 P0. P0 is the initial partial pressure, W2 M1 M2 W1. What does this W2 stands for? Means you can take it this as a weight of a solvent, and this to be taken as solute. M1 is molecular weight, M2 is molecular solvent, solute solvent. Next, come to elevation in boiling point, 1000 into W20 kb into TB W1. Depression in freezing point, the formulas goes respectively like this. Pi is nothing but osmotic weight, which is a fourth colligative property, whose formula is respectively this. So these are the 4 colligative properties which has been mentioned. Property only, we have 2 properties of different names, like elevation in boiling point. It is also called as molar elevation constant, Kb. Similarly, molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant, or is also called as freezing point depression. So it has 2 names, that is molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant or freezing point depression, which is represented as Kf. And the unit for both of that is similar, that is Kelvin kg per mole for both, that is for cryoscopic constant and also for boiling molar elevation constant. So both also it remains the same. Unit is Kelvin kg per mole.